Global Investing Brief. Bargaining for our very existence. Why the battle over AI is being fought in Hollywood. Source: The Guardian. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, technology, is putting Hollywood jobs at risk. According to actors and writers who are currently on strike, they are fighting to protect the entire industry. From background actors to stars, from being replaced by new technologies. The dual strike by the Screen Actors Guild, American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, SAG-AFTRA, and the Writers Guild of America, WGA, has forced major studios to halt production. Concerns around AI include the use of deepfake technology on celebrities, and the potential for control and exploitation of digital replicas of performers. The Alliance of Motion Picture and Television Producers, AMPTP, has disputed claims made by the unions and insists on consent and fair compensation for the use of digital replicas. In U.S., regulating AI is in its early days. Source: The New York Times. Lawmakers and experts have been discussing the regulation of artificial intelligence, AI, in the United States. While there have been hearings and meetings with tech executives, it is too early to predict concrete regulations. The country is behind Europe, where lawmakers are preparing to enact an AI law this year. There is disagreement within the United States on how to handle the technology. The Biden administration has been engaging with AI companies to prioritize safety and announced voluntary AI safety commitments from 7 tech companies. However, these commitments fall short of what consumer groups have called for. The White House introduced a blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights, but it is not enforceable. Lawmakers have introduced bills on AI, including proposals for an AI oversight agency, liability for AI spreading disinformation, and licensing for new AI tools. Regulatory agencies, such as the Federal Trade Commission, are starting to take action by investigating AI companies. Overall, the U.S. is still in the early stages of AI regulation. Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, other tech firms agree to AI safeguards set by White House. Source: USA Today. Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and other tech firms have agreed to a set of AI safeguards brokered by the White House. These companies, including OpenAI and startups Anthropic and Inflection, have committed to security testing and third-party oversight of commercial AI systems. They will also report vulnerabilities, address fairness and bias, and use digital watermarking to identify AI-generated images. However, some advocates argue for stronger regulations and holding companies accountable. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer plans to introduce legislation to regulate AI. The software trade group BSA, which includes Microsoft, supports efforts to set rules for high-risk AI systems. Various countries, including the European Union, are also exploring ways to regulate AI, and the United Nations is considering global AI governance. 19 AI-related stocks already generating strong cash flow. Source: The Globe and Mail. Citi analyst Drew Pettit emphasizes the importance of free cash flow in evaluating artificial intelligence, AI, stocks. While AI developments have boosted earnings estimates, the profitability of these stocks and their ability to generate cash flow is often overlooked. Pettit's analysis suggests that the market is expecting a 19% annualized free cash flow growth for AI-related stocks over the next 5 years, based on a screen for cash flow. 19 stocks, including Amazon, Alphabet, and MasterCard, are identified as impressive cash-generating machines in the AI sector. Additionally, other market news includes the Bank of Canada prioritizing recession over inflation, a potential last Federal Reserve rate hike, and expectations for a dovish surprise at the July FOMC meeting.